So today we're working on a 2000 Chevy Impala with a 3800, and I was fixing the wipers. The customer had replaced the wiper motor and didn't properly tighten the wiper transmission, so it went out of time and came loose. No big deal. Parked it outside, got customer's permission to fix the wipers. Went to bring it in and the battery was very low. The engine cranked and then the battery was low, so threw a charger on the battery and I proceeded to start it, and I heard quite a explosion, and it blew the intake manifold completely apart. Blew the engine cover right off, and there you can see in the distance the oil filter cap, which is several feet away, blown right out of the valve cover. So it's going to need an intake manifold now, and oil filter cap, and wow, that sucks. Must have been fuel vapor in the intake manifold and enough to create an explosion.